How to learn faster every day without ever picking up a book. Have you ever felt like there just isn't enough time in a day to grow your skills or learn something new? You got work, family, a million things pulling you in every direction, right? What if I told you there's a way to unlock hours of powerful education every week without changing your schedule? Sounds too good to be true, doesn't it? The secret is simple: turning your vehicle into a university on wheels. Does this make sense? Every day, countless people waste precious hours listening to music or the same repetitive radio talk shows during their commute. But here's the thing: those hours could transform your life. You probably have always suspected that there's a better way to spend your time, haven't you? When I first heard this idea, it hit me like a lightning bolt. I had long drives to powwows, sometimes 8 hours there and 8 hours back. That's when I started to download YouTube videos, converting them into audio and programming them into my iPod. Imagine learning about investing, online advertising, copywriting, your mindset during those long drives. You ever feel like you're stuck in the same routine, wishing you had tools to break free? Then this is it. Here's the truth: those hours transformed my life. I went from struggling to being a better provider for my family. And the best part, you don't need extra time to start, just a willingness to swap the passive entertainment for active growth. Doesn't it feel empowering to know you already have the time? You just need to use it a little differently. So here's the 3 secrets I want to share with you. Secret number 1: choose the right audio programs. If you want to grow in any area of your life, start by finding powerful audio resources. Think about it, there's audiobooks, there's podcasts, there's YouTube playlists for practically anything that you want to learn. Do you know what I mean? Want to learn a new language, boost your financial skills, understand history, or improve your mindset? It's all out there just waiting for you. Or you could find a coach's program, dive into an Audible, or curate a playlist of podcasts that inspire and educate you. You already know the value of feeding your mind with good information, don't you? The first step is to making conscious choice to fill your time with something that moves you closer to your goals. Are you starting to see how this could work for you? All right, let's get into secret number 2. Replace radio and music with learning. How much time do you spend in your car? Let's say you have a 30-minute commute to work. That's an hour every day you could be learning something transformative. Over a month, that's like 20 plus hours of education. And over a year, that's more than 240 hours. Can you imagine how much you'd grow with that kind of training? Instead of turning to the radio or your favorite playlist, hit on a podcast, an audiobook, or a saved YouTube video. You'll soon find that your commute becomes the most productive part of your day. You ever feel like your day just slips away without accomplishing anything? This one small change can fix that. When I made this shift, I started to see massive results in my life. My drives became a classroom, and every mile brought me closer to becoming the person that I wanted to be. Doesn't it make sense to turn your wasted time into an investment in yourself? All right, let's get to secret number 3. Journal your aha moments. Here's where the magic happens. Once you've listened to something powerful, take a moment to reflect. When you arrive at your destination, jot down the biggest takeaways. Does this make sense? Writing down what you learn helps solidify the knowledge, making it easier to remember and apply. For me, journaling after those long power drives was a game changer. I captured nuggets of wisdom about copywriting, about marketing, and mindset that I still use today. Every note became a stepping stone toward a better life for myself, and it could be for you as well. You ever have those moments where something just clicks and you wish you could hold on to it forever? That's exactly why journaling is so important. So here's your next step. If this idea resonates with you, why not try it for a week? Replace the radio or music in your car with something educational. Choose a podcast, an audiobook, or online course that inspires you. Then journal your insights at the end of each day. Here's the bottom line. Your commute could be your greatest opportunity for growth. You're in charge of what you feed your mind. The right choices could lead to more income, more skills, and a more fulfilling life. You've always known you were capable of more. This is your chance to prove it to yourself. Follow our blog, follow our Facebook page, our YouTube channel, and stay inspired on your journey to becoming the best version of yourself. Your time is valuable. Use it wisely and watch how it changes your life. Let's grow together. Thanks for listening.